Yes.
And the end. Timmy at the end.
In the end, okay. So maybe for both of you, since you've done both shows and you're experiencing this now, what can we expect from this version, and how would you compare your experience before?
For me personally, doing that version in 2018, it was exciting to see the life and times of Daisy and Violet. And I feel like with this version of the 1997 version, it does really dive in a little bit deeper. The script is so juicy, and the songs that you didn't get to hear in the 2018 version, which are in this version, I can't wait for you all to see it, and also to experience what we're trying to pull forward in this version as well. So,
yeah. Personally, for me, both are beautiful, but this version, 1997 version, is for me more complex, and it has a strong message that I think after you watch this show, it will leave you something to think about. So that's the thing for me. So I'm excited to do this with Sandbox, so please watch it.
Thank you, Vian. Who cares to expound on what that message is?
I think as we're putting the show together, the important themes that really jumped out at us were the fight for survival, finding out your identity, and doing all of it in the spirit of the ones you love. So that really is what's jumping out at each and every one of us as we're putting the show together. So we have those messages that we have, along with the advocacies, of course, that we wanted to bring up with this particular staging of Sideshow. So yeah, it's that. And hopefully when you watch it, you feel seen, that you see yourself there. You know, even there is a part of you that you hide from everybody, and hopefully, it gets seen and you feel validated when you watch.
Okay, for our next question, about your character and how it resonates with you.
Maybe who wants to answer that? CJ?
So I play Terry Connor. I'm CJ Navarro. I play Terry Connor, and I'm the talent scout press agent for the Orpheum Circuit, which I think it resonates with me in the sense that I like seeing the good in people. I like seeing potential, and I like telling them about that potential, helping them move forward. Hindi naman sa manager ako, hindi naman ganun. But I think I really see the good in people. That's something I said before, and I really am excited to explore here sa making ng show na to.
Hello po, ako si Marvin ako. I'm playing Jake. I resonate with my character because, not to say that I'm pure of heart, but Jake is for me, I think, the purest character in the musical. His love is so pure towards one of the twins. You have to watch to find out which one of them. But siguro yun, the goodness of his heart. Even amidst all of the challenges in his life, he can still find so much love to give. So yun po si Jake for me. And Josh.
Hello, my name is Josh, or Joshiming. Anyway, thank you, Marvin. I'm also playing Jake, same with Marvin. And I resonate to my character because during my puberty stage, up to my early stage, I've been into, what do you call this? Unrequited love. So I do have a lot of emotional baggage. Of course, experience in life, hardship, kaya-kaya ni Jake yan. So, yan, abangan nyo.
Ako naman, I'm Tim Bagino once again, and I'm Buddy Foster in this version of Sideshow. I resonate with my character because he's a music man, he's also a songwriter, dancer, wow. And he just sees hope in every person that he meets. He's also a dreamer, and I know a lot of people can relate to that kind of a character as well. So for me, as a dreamer, I came from the US, now here in Manila as a dreamer. I can resonate with Buddy Foster a lot.
Hi, I'm Crystal, and I'm playing Daisy Hilton, one of the twins. And I think Daisy is more headstrong, the driven one. And I think I resonate with her in that way that when she knows what she wants, she's not afraid to go out and get it. And she really is a dreamer. She has so many things that she wants to do for herself. She wants to be on stage. She wants to be seen. But ultimately, I feel like it's her love for her sister that really shines through. So I'm very excited for you to see it. Hi, I'm Molly. I play Violet Hilton. She's more the shy, reserved twin. I do feel that I resonate with her in some ways. But mostly I resonate with Violet because she dreams of having a husband and a family, and that's actually my dream come true one day. So I really do feel I really do feel but yeah, that's why I resonate with her. Hi.
Wow. For the show. Hi everyone. I'm Marinor. You can call me Emnor. I also play the role of Daisy. So Daisy is the more outspoken twin. Just like Daisy, I would like to believe that I'm passionate, that I'm a dreamer despite the struggles. So I'm a person living with a mental health condition. So this is a very stressful career, but we love it anyway. So I'm the same. I also have a sister and I love her very much. So away-away but of course at the end of the day, you really love her. Just like Miss Tanya, I love her. And them, I love them. I love everyone. We love each other. We love each other in this company. Thank you, Sandbox.
Hi, I'm Tanya Manana Hatadero, but you can just
Kings.
I play Violet Hilton. I'm paired with Amnor. I resonate with Violet because she's the shyer twin, but she's very she's not afraid to speak her mind, which is very me. Do you agree? I mean, there's you can answer for me. Yeah. No, yeah, she's very shy, but she's not afraid to speak her mind. I am that, and like what Molly said, she wants to have, all she wants in life is a family, stability, a husband, which I think I have, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yun, kaya siguro na ako nakas. Yun lang po, thank you po.
I also play Terry Connor, like CJ. He resonates with me because he's that guy, and he's that guy who kind of brings everybody together, and I've always wanted to be that kind of person. I want to be able to bring people together, not only at work, but with things that I believe in, things that I fight for. As a person, so nagbibinato si Terry. But yeah, that's how I resonate with my character. Ikaw, Vienna.
Ako? At first, I really wanted to do the role of Marvin and Violet. I wanted to do the role of Jake actually, but Toph gave me the role of Buddy, and now I realize after studying the character. So I think Buddy for me he is goal-oriented, ambitious. So I think one of the things that I can really resonate with him is having that goals that I really wanted to achieve for the sake of my family. So I will do anything just to give a better life to my family and also for my dreams as well. So I think that's one of the things I can resonate with.
Thank you. And we'll end with John.
I'm John Santos and I play the boss, the leader of this little tribe that hops from one city to another, wherever there is a booking, wherever there is an audience, wherever may fiesta. I grew up shuttling Manila and Baliw, Bulacan. Alam mo naman, pag May 4, andyan na yung fiesta. And you see the ringmaster, and you see the raffle, and the shooting gallery, and the troupe of performers. And true, pag fiesta sa bawat kanto may basketball game, may gay beauty pageant, may singing contest, and it's seasonal. And these performers, where I lay my hat, hanggang you're as good as the last time you deliver and then you move on. That has been the life for a lot of performers who lead little tropas. Pag eleksyon na, daw tayo ng show. Tapos hanggang sa susunod. And it's survival. It's survival. Tinalikuran mo yung regular life. So, as their leader, I tell them that. We need each other. I am your leader. Disciplinarian to a fault. Kung gagamit pa siya, I like the pagka-gray of the character. And it is such a wonderful experience to be doing this in this form also. A sung-through musical.
Feeling too much, I'm gonna pass the mic here. Starting with you, Red, papunta sa right. I want you guys to introduce yourselves and then one word to describe your freak. We're not gonna reveal their freak because it's a surprise. But one word to describe your freak.
Yes, hello everyone, and thank you so much for coming to Sideshow. My name is Red Nuestro. One word to describe my freak is neglected.
Hi, I'm Daniel Wesley. I play Genuine.
Hello, Arion Sanchez. One word would be resilient.
I'm Ian Herbaenes, and one word for my freak is non-conforming.
Love that.
Good afternoon, my name is Pamela Imperial, and my freak is very hopeful.
Hi, I'm Papel po, and my freak, to describe my freak in one word, it would be childlike.
Hi, my name is Mikey Basquinas, and to describe my freak, it would be abused.
Hi! Wow! I'm Flecha Bravo, and I'm playing one of the freaks, and I have two words to describe my freak. It's reclaiming power.
Hi! I'm Faye Castro, and the one word to describe my freak is colorful.
Hi, I'm Rain Paisley, and one word to describe my freak is piercing.
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Rap Salazar. I would say my freak is the best of both worlds.
Hi, I'm Chandra Butazo, and I have also two words for my character, which is strong and bold. And my character is Chares Notukayo.
Thank you, Chan. Okay, we have a question from